Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gunwant Ray Shah. I come from Zimbabwe. I frequently visit India with my family. Some time ago, about 13 years ago, I came to know of Dr. Vipin, who did the implant, and he sorted out my number of very bad teeth at that time. Recently, I came back again, and I used to frequently visit him for various treatments like cleaning, photographing of my teeth, and general health condition of mouth. Just last week, I broke one of my teeth, and I just decided to come. I was passing through India, and I came to see him to replace my teeth. And he very gladly and immediately did it so quickly. Within 24 hours, he gave me a new teeth. The services of the staff is excellent, beyond belief, friendly, considerate, and very much concerned about your health and wealth. Dr. Vipin is a very professional man. If you have any problem, I would recommend to see him and at least get his advice. It will save you a lot of embarrassment in future. It will improve your facial health, maybe improve your facial beauty. I only say, and I repeatedly repeat to say, that I was glad and I'm fortunate enough to have met him. I've sorted a lot of my problems out, and I recommend you all to do so. Thank you, and I recommend you again and again go and see Dr. Vipin. He solved all your problems out.